Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will be showing you how to share playlist on SoundCloud. To share playlist on SoundCloud, first you have to tap open application. Then make sure that you are logged in. After this, tap on the playlist you want to share. Now tap on the three dots located right below your playlist name. Now tap on copy link. And here you have successfully copied this link to your clipboard. Now you can share it with your friends or in various other platforms as well. I'm going to show you another method as well. Tap on the three dots again. Now you can share this playlist on your Instagram stories, Snapchat, WhatsApp, status and SMS as well. By tapping on more option, you will find other options as well where you can share this playlist. Select one of these and share it among your friends. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.